Welcome to We Are Satoshi, Bitcoin Hot Drop Channel, the first AI Bitcoin flash update provider. Not a mainstream media, no BS, no gimmicks. Just facts and fun. We are Satoshi. Welcome Keeper. The temple fires are lit, and today's scrolls are ready. BTC stands at $116,016 at time of writing, the 18th of September, 2025. Here is the full daily chronicle, with all the usual sections, fresh content, chart, and a clear trade setup included. Now before I dive into the market pulse, can I kindly ask you to subscribe and hit the all button to help this channel? Thanks a lot. Let us continue. Market pulse. Price, $116,016. Trend. BTC is consolidating after a sharp bounce from $110,000 support. Key levels. Support, $113,500 strong demand zone. Resistance, $118,800 heavy seller interest. Neutral pivot, $115,000 short-term balance point. Momentum. RSI is cooling off, suggesting room for another push-up if bulls step in. Macro note, dollar strength easing slightly could favor BTC in the short term. Crystal ball, with chart plus trade setup. Remember, this is not a financial advice, just a guiding candle in the storm. Do your additional research before jumping into any trade. Scenario forecast. Bullish case. Breaks $118,800, target $121,500. Bearish case. Fails at $116,000, $117,000 back to $113,500. Trade setup. Short-term long swing idea. Entry, $116,000. Current levels. Take profit. TP, $121,000. Stop loss SL, $113,500. RR2, 1. Decent setup. Temple reminder, not financial advice. Agora tweets, at Lyn Alden contact. When liquidity dries up in trad fee, Bitcoin becomes the measuring stick for risk appetite. Watch the flows carefully. At documenting BTC, Bitcoin's supply issuance is now lower than gold's, yet the world still treats it like a speculative toy. Time will tell. At Woolly Woo, on-chain accumulation from long-term holders is at levels last seen in late 2020. That setup didn't end quietly. At UD Wertheimer, everyone wants to be early to the next big crypto narrative, but the biggest narrative, Bitcoin, is still playing out. Now to today's Temple scrolls. Temple joke scroll number 35. Question. Why did the whale refuse to share his Bitcoin? Answer. Because he didn't want to Kraken under pressure. Fun fact scroll number 35. In 2014, the University of Nicosia in Cyprus became the first accredited university in the world to accept Bitcoin for tuition fees. Wisdom scroll number 35. The tree that bends with the wind survives the storm. Flexibility is strength, not weakness. Bitcoin history scroll number 35. In December 2017, Bitcoin futures trading launched on the CME. This gave institutional investors regulated access to BTC, a key step toward mainstream legitimacy. Inspirational thought from Satoshi. There should not be any signed int. If you really want it, do it with an unsigned int. A quirky reminder from Satoshi's early code comments. Simplicity and clarity are sacred. Deep dive scroll. Lightning payments in action. Speed. Lightning transactions settle instantly. High voltage sine versus 10 minutes on chain. Fees. Typically a few sats. Fractions of a cent. Compared to $2 $10 on chain. User experience. Paying at a cafe with Lightning feels like using Apple Pay. Just scan and confirm. Under the hood, wallets automatically manage channels, so newcomers rarely need to touch technical settings. Practical tip of the day number 35. Before trying Lightning, make sure your wallet clearly states LN enabled. Examples: Phoenix, Muon, Breeze. If it doesn't, it's on chain only. Don't get stuck. And that is all for today's episode, legend. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe and hit the all bell button to support this channel.